G'day everyone, welcome to Excellent Fishing. Today we're fishing on the Werribee River. Some of the species we might find are bass, redfin, estuary perch and carp. I've got some live yabbies and live worms, and I might even throw a top water, so let's see how we go. Oh, I had a bite on this one, it's gone real slack. Must have had a bite. Oh yeah. Yep, I got a bite. Take it. Oh, come on. Got it now. Could be a bass. Maybe a small redfin, who knows, swimming towards me now. Bass. Another alright one. Huh. A bit smaller than the other one from the other day. But it is alright. I'll take that. I've only been here about half an hour maybe. Just throwing a top water lure. And turn around and my line was slack. He was just playing with it for a while. Get the pliers. That was on the yabbie. Yabbies. Live yabbie. Okay, Mr. Bassy. He'd be probably close to 30, I reckon, this one. Take it easy, brother. See you next time. Bye-bye. What I got for bait, I'm going to be using these little yabbies. Pretty small. Oh, he's got a hold of one. And good old Jan Jack worms. Good few out. There we go. Okay, so the setup I got today, I've got two 6-foot Shimano, what are they? Katanas. This one's a whiting rod, 3 to 6 kilo, paired with a 2500 reel. I've both got running sinker rigs. With this one's got a yabbie with a long shank hook, and the other one's got worms. But there's the other one. Little katana, that's a spinning rod, 6 foot. I caught my first topwater fish. And the lure's bigger than it. What the hell is going on? What a pisser. Gotta get a photo of that. If anyone knows what fish this is, let me know. If it doesn't stop, if it stops jumping. Galaxic or whatever they are. Galaxia. I'm swimming. What the hell is this? Anybody know what fish this is? I've got no idea. It's taking the worms. I don't know what that is, eh? What's up with it? Anyone? You wouldn't have a clue what that is. Oh. Something on it. Nearly pulled my rod in. Another bass, I reckon. Just took off without warning. Oh, good one. Good one. He's not too bad. I reckon maybe mid-30s. 35, maybe 38, roughly. And that was on this yabbie, look. The yabbie's still alive. I got my bait back. Alright, let's get him off. He's not happy. Let's give him one little measure. Measure him with my Zodius. That'll be maybe easier to take back, the measurement. There to about here. So where's that? Just before that red line. I'll measure that when I get home. Alright, let's get him back. Good boy. See ya. Yeah, my rod just took off again. They love the yabbies. That was big as. Nearly pulled my rod in the water. Look at that. Snap me. Oh. Look at that. Whole rig gone. Come on. That was big. Oh, didn't bite. Oh. Come on. Oh, yep. Oh, what is it? I think it's a carp. Let me take that off. It's on a yabbie. Yeah, definitely a carp.
He's on the yabbie. Feels heavy. Yeah. Only got 6 pound line, so maybe it's not a carp. It's a bass, is it? Oh, didn't bring my net. Is that an EP or a bass? I'm not sure. I'm still not sure. Looks more like a estuary perch to me. Yeah, that's not too bad. On the yabbie, he's got it down there. He's not too bad size. I reckon he'd be 30 something, 32. Maybe bigger, 35. See you, brother. Go on, skis. I might stay for another half an hour. I've only been here for about an hour. Get another yabbie out. See how we go. Well, that's it for today. I've got 2 nice bass with the live yabbies. Got that weird looking fish with the worms, and I got the top water. I got a tiny galaxia or a bait fish that wasn't even as big as my lure, so that was pretty funny. Fish from 6:30 to about 9:30, 10. And I also fished yesterday. Got a nice bass again on the yabbie, and I lost a couple. Lost 2, one really good one and one alright one. So that was an alright couple of sessions there. Happy with that. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.